Have you been thinking about upgrading your tablet? Today, we'll review the iPad 10th generation. We'll help you decide if it's worth your money in 2025. The iPad 10th generation features an A14 chip. This makes it fast for multitasking. It includes a 10.9-inch liquid retina display. The colors are vibrant, it's great for streaming shows. Let's start with performance. With the A14 chip, apps run smoothly. This helps with gaming and office work. Next, we look at the camera system. It features a 12-megapixels ultra-wide front camera. Perfect for video calls or taking selfies. Battery life is essential. This model offers up to 10 hours of use. You can binge watch your favorite series without panic. Let's talk pricing. In 2025, the iPad 10th generation sits around $449. Consider how often you'll use it. For example, if you love gaming or art, it's a smart buy. If you only need it for web browsing, it might be overkill. To summarize, the iPad 10th generation excels in performance and display. It's excellent for creators and heavy users. However, price must match your needs. If you're convinced, check it out at your nearest store today.